Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop unauthorized Etisalat Wi-Fi sharing via QR code. So you can deactivate the QR code feature on your Etisalat account or router, or you can use MAC filter to restrict access to your network. So here is how you can basically do it. First of all, if you shared the QR code by mistake or if you lost it, then you just have to come on the official website of etisalat.ae, and over here you need to just hover over to the support and click on chat us option. Now once you click on it, you will be landed on this page where now you will see this type of chat box in front of you. So you will have to simply click on it, and after clicking on it you will have to provide some of your details. Then you can just start a chat. Now in the chat you will have to just tell them that you want to deactivate the unauthorized Wi-Fi sharing, and it is via QR code, and then they are going to help you in this regard for further assistance. Now you can even contact Etisalat customer service at 101 as well. So you can just call on 101, and then you can just ask them to deactivate the QR code before anyone else scans it. Now you may need to contact Etisalat support to disable the QR code sharing feature entirely for your account as well. So make sure that you come on this page for the assistance, and this way you can basically unauthorized Etisalat Wi-Fi sharing via QR code. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.